Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw money from PayZapp Wallet, easy and fast for 2025. If you've got money sitting in your PayZapp account and want to get it into your bank quickly, you're in the right place. This step-by-step guide is straightforward, so let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the PayZapp app installed on your smartphone. Open it and log in using your registered mobile number and PIN or biometrics for security. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet or My Balance section on the home screen. This is where you'll see your available funds. Next, look for the Withdraw or Transfer to Bank option. Tap on it to proceed. Now, select the bank account you want to transfer the money to. If you haven't added a bank account yet, go to the Bank Accounts or Profile section and link one by entering your bank details and verifying it. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Keep in mind that PayZapp might have minimum and maximum limits, so double-check those before proceeding. Review all the details on the confirmation page to avoid any mistakes. Hit the Confirm button, and you'll receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to authorize the transaction. Once done, your withdrawal request will be processed, and the funds should reflect in your bank account in just a few minutes to a couple of hours. A quick tip: always ensure you have enough balance in your wallet and verify your bank details to prevent any issues. That's it, you've successfully withdrawn your money. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more handy guides, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.